There are millions of military veterans and active duty members, but only a fraction of them take advantage of VA loans to buy a home. But why? The biggest reason is that military personnel might not know the benefits of a VA loan. Here's just a few. Number 1, a VA loan is a government loan through a local lender. While a VA loan is a mortgage offered through the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs, there's no red tape or hoops to jump through because it's offered through local lenders like private banks, credit unions, and mortgage companies like Movement. Number 2, a VA loan requires no down payment. That's right, none. With no down payment needed for qualified buyers, you can get started on your loan application immediately. Plus, no down payment means no private mortgage insurance or PMI, which could save you hundreds on your monthly mortgage payment. Number 3, VA loan benefits never expire. Once a service member is eligible for a VA loan, they're eligible for life. Plus, VA loan entitlement can be used repeatedly, although only one at a time, and surviving spouses of military personnel may also be eligible to apply for a VA loan. For these reasons and many more, VA loans are a great option for veterans and active duty members, and it's a small way for us to say thank you for your service. For more information on VA loans, contact a Movement Mortgage Loan Officer near you.